Welcome to Contracting Conversations. My name is Jim Valley, and I'm joined by my co-host, Scott Williams. Today, our conversation is with Cindy Baker, DAU's Learning Asset Manager for the Buy American Balance of Payments Program course, CON 0270, and the new DoD Decision Tool. Hey, Cindy, welcome. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for the opportunity to talk about these learning assets.
Well, Cindy, what can you tell us about these assets?
Well, CON 0270 has replaced the old one, which is CLC 027. Now, that one was streamlined and it's updated with the latest policy changes for Buy American, resulting from Executive Order 14005, ensuring the future is made in all of America by all of America's workers. It was also updated with more information about the Balance of Payments program, which is specific for DoD.
All right, thank you.
Hey, Cindy, what about the game that was in CLC 027?
So we decided to take that game out of the old course, and it's going to become its own learning asset. We are transferring it to a more current curriculum development software and updating its user experience design. When that asset development project is done, it will be made available in Cornerstone on demand.
Well, great, Cindy. I'm sure learners who enjoy playing games will enjoy this new version of the game. What can you tell us about the new tool?
The new DoD Decision Tool was created to navigate the prescriptions of the DFARS Provision 252.225-7000 and DFARS Clause 252.225-7001 that include both the Buy American statute and the Balance of Payments program. Through this navigation of answering questions for each of the prescriptions for the provision and clause, it ultimately will help users understand if Buy American or the Balance of Payments program apply to their procurement.
Wow, thanks, Cindy. That sounds like a great tool. So where's this tool available?
It's available in DAU Tools, which can be accessed by going to www.dau.edu under the menu button in the top left corner of the main page. So when you get there, scroll down and click on the Tools section. We hope to receive feedback on this tool, and we placed a survey link on that page where the tool can be launched.
Wow, that's great. We will be sure to put the link in the video description below. So contracting personnel will have choices in how they learn. How was the project to execute?
Well, it was only possible through collaboration with Teresa Reef. She's a procurement analyst responsible for the Federal Acquisition Institute's equivalent training for federal civilian agencies. We also worked with Jeff Grover, the senior procurement analyst under Defense Pricing and Contracting, and the previous DAU Learning Asset Manager, Hal McAuliffe. Additionally, there were reviewers and staff both in DAU and in the contracting workforce who helped to fine-tune these assets, so their efforts are much appreciated.
Hey, great. Thanks, Cindy. Looks like you had a great team there. We appreciate you coming to the show today to discuss these new assets for the Buy American statute and the Balance of Payments program.
Thank you both, Jim and Scott, for this opportunity to talk about them. I hope that they each provide clarity and understanding of these complex topics.
Fantastic. And we'll have all the information below in the description, links there for everybody, so you can just click on it and get to where you need to go. So thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you again, Cindy. That is all the time we have for today, but please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our Contracting Conversations channel. Type any comments below to include your questions for future discussions, and spread the word of this channel to your peers and to those you supervise or lead. Let us help you answer their questions, and we look forward to having future contracting conversations with you.